Welcome back. Today we're going to learn systems of equations by substitution. So we're going to use substitution today. Only substitution. So, when solving systems of equations, you're usually given two equations. So our first equation is going to be y equals 3x minus 1. And our second equation is going to be 2x plus 5y equals 12. Now, when using substitution, this is a simple example because they're telling us that y is equal to something. Y happens to be equal to 3x minus 1. So what this means is we are going to substitute this 3x minus 1 in wherever we see a y. So right here, you're going to rewrite your equation as 2x plus 5, and then in parentheses you're going to input or plug in that 3x minus 1 and set it equal to your 12. So what we do first here is we do our distributive property. We take 5 times 3x, we get 15x, and then we take 5 and multiply it by a negative 1. Negative times positive gives us a negative, and 1 times 5 is 5. We bring the rest of our equation down. We have two like terms here, and what I like to do is call it CLT, or cucumber, lettuce, tomato. Combine like terms. Combine like terms here. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to combine the 2 and the 15, and we get 17x minus 5. Bring the rest of your equation down, equals 12. Now in basic algebra, you have to get x by itself. We need to solve for x, find a value for x, so we can plug back into the original equation. So if this is a negative 5, we need to add 5 to both sides of the equal sign, because in algebra, what you do to one side, you must do to the other. This cancels out the 5's. We now have 17x is equal to 17. This is multiplication since these two are attached, so to undo multiplication we have to divide by the 17 because this will leave us with just the x, or isolating that variable. And if you notice, the 17's will go away and you have x is equal to 17 divided by 17, which is 1. So now that we know x, we can plug into either one of these equations. Well, this is an easier equation, so let's plug it in. Let's see, I'm going to do this in orange. So 3 times x, which we found out is 1, 3 times 1 minus 1 is equal to our y value. So 3 times 1 is 3. Bring down your equation, and you'll see that 3 minus 1 is 2. So now you have your final answer, and we like to put this in ordered pair form. So you would write your answer as 1, 2 is a solution to this systems of equations. Look forward to our next video. Be sure to subscribe and like our videos, and we'll see you in the next one.